So this is my living room at the moment. Don't mind the cotton balls or the dusty floor. They spilled a bucket of ash. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 should be in here somewhere. A little baby. Oh, she's underneath. Yeah. I think there's a pig upstairs too. Oh, and a cat. But cat, he don't count. You gonna say hi? Hey, Echo. Echo. You gonna let everybody know why we call you Echo? Echo. You gonna say hello, Echo? Mr. Echo. Hi, kitty kitty. Hi, pretty kitty. You gonna say hello? He's a good kitty sometimes.